All right, so you want to lose 30 pounds, fast. Let me guess, you've tried everything. Keto, intermittent fasting, that weird celery juice thing, and you've even considered skipping meals. Except dinner, because obviously we're not monsters. But nothing works, right? Well, buckle up, my friend, because today I'm handing you the golden ticket to weight loss. And no, it's not a fancy pill, detox tea, or one of those ab rollers collecting dust in your closet. It's, drumroll please, apple cider vinegar. Oh yeah, this little bottle of sour magic is about to change your mornings and your waistline. But you have to do it right, or you're just going to end up with an upset stomach and a bad attitude. Don't worry, I got you. This humble bottle right here, apple cider vinegar, or ACV for those of us who love a good acronym, is like a miracle worker in the world of weight loss. And no, it's not some as seen on TV gimmick. This bad boy has legit benefits, backed by science, health freaks, and that one friend who swears by everything fermented. Now I know what you're thinking. Vinegar? Like what I put on my salad. Yeah, except instead of salad dressing, this vinegar is going to dress up your metabolism and kick your body into fat-burning mode. But wait, before you go chugging it straight out of the bottle like a dare at a college party, let me explain how to do it properly, without traumatizing your taste buds. First things first, let's talk about why apple cider vinegar is kind of a big deal. Controls blood sugar. ACV helps keep your blood sugar levels in check, which means no more mid-morning crashes or those cravings for a little snack that somehow turns into a bag of chips and 3 cookies. Suppresses appetite. Basically, it makes you feel full longer. Say goodbye to those 11 a.m. accidental brunches. Speeds up metabolism. It's like your metabolism drinks a double espresso and actually starts doing its job. Reduces water retention. You know when your jeans suddenly feel tighter and you're like, did I accidentally gain 10 pounds overnight? That's probably just water retention. ACV's got your back, improves digestion. Ever felt like you swallowed a brick after eating? ACV helps break that food down and keeps things moving. So yeah, the benefits are chef's kiss. But wait, don't run to your pantry just yet. Let's talk about how not to mess this up. Look, I hate to break it to you, but some of y'all are out here wilding with your ACV, drinking it straight from the bottle. Yeah, no, that's not bravery. That's acid reflux waiting to happen. Mistake number 1, drinking it undiluted. ACV is acetic acid. Translation: it'll burn a hole in your throat faster than a jalapeno smoothie. Always mix it with water, unless you want your morning routine to include crying. Hey, if you've been enjoying this video, why not give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel? You wouldn't want to miss out on learning more stuff about your health, would you? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Alright, let's continue. Mistake number 2, taking it right before a meal. Pro tip: you want to drink this 20 to 30 minutes before eating, not after. If you chug it after, all it's doing is sitting there on top of your pizza slice like a confused house guest. Mistake number 3, overdoing it. Look, 1 to 2 tablespoons is plenty. This isn't the more the merrier. Your stomach lining? Yeah, it's not that forgiving. Seriously, some folks act like drinking a gallon of ACV will make them wake up with abs. Nope, you'll just wake up regretting your life choices. Alright, you've stuck around this long, so it's time to spill the secret. How do you use apple cider vinegar to lose 30 pounds fast? Here's the ultimate morning routine. Step 1, start your morning with ACV. Mix 1 tablespoon of ACV with 8 ounces of water. Add a little honey or lemon if you're feeling fancy. Or if you just want to stop gagging. Look at you, hydrating and detoxing like a pro. Step 2, pair it with a protein-rich breakfast. No, you can't just drink ACV and call it a day. Grab some eggs, Greek yogurt, or oatmeal. Something that fuels your body and keeps you full. Step 3, walk or move for 15 to 20 minutes. Once you've got your ACV and breakfast situation sorted, take a short walk or do some light stretching. Nothing crazy, just enough to wake up your metabolism and tell your body, hey, we're burning fat today. And if you do this consistently, ACV in the morning, balanced meals, and a little movement, guess what? You're on your way to shedding those pounds like they're overdue library books. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can drinking a tablespoon of sour vinegar really help me lose 30 pounds? Well, yeah, kinda. But here's the thing. ACV isn't a magic potion. It's more like that supportive friend who gives you a little nudge in the right direction. The real magic is consistency. Pair it with healthy eating, a little exercise, and bam! You'll be slipping into those old jeans in no time. No crash diets, no gimmicks, just good old-fashioned healthy habits with a splash of vinegar. So to recap, apple cider vinegar is the secret ingredient you've been sleeping on. It helps control cravings, boosts metabolism, and makes your mornings feel productive, even if you're still wearing pajamas. Start slow, stick with it, and don't expect miracles overnight. Weight loss is a journey, not a sprint. But hey, with a little ACV in your corner, it's going to be a much smoother ride. Here's to a healthier you. Cheers. Just not straight from the bottle. Trust me. If you found this video helpful, or at least mildly entertaining, hit that like button and subscribe. And if you've got your own ACV success story, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. Now go forth and conquer that morning vinegar ritual. Your skinny jeans are waiting.